Oh my god, it's perfect, bro. We just hit our 300 mark. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna remove liquidity. What you want to do is go back to the website, click on the minus button, remove liquidity 100%. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, come on, it's loading. Come on, come on, come on. And then boom, we just made. My Phantom wallet's been going wild. I've racked up over $678,000 this month just launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Don't click away. I'm about to break it all down. Bro, this video is for those who are serious about meme coins. When I first started, I wasn't creating them. I was trading them, and that was by far my biggest mistake. The way you're actually gonna make it, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how, is by creating coins, waiting for buyers, and then dumping it. Trust me, it works. Now, how did I make it? What did I do? I'm gonna be dropping all of those information in this video, so stay tuned for that. Bro, the thing with these coins is that everyone knows it too, that they start at 0 and they end at 0. That is by far the realest statement I've ever said in this video and probably in my life. I'm not gonna lie. Now, all of these creators have one thing in common. They're bound to make a sale, a good, juicy profit. The developers, right? And the traders, they are not smart people. The only few of them will actually make it. But I'm telling you guys, the safer and the way more lucrative way is by creating these meme coins. Now, how are you going to create these meme coins? By going on tokenlabs.fun. This website is basically the launchpad for a ton of meme coins out there. And what you guys are going to do is put in your token name, find a narrative, and everything. And the thing that is beautiful about this website is, and strategy, is that it is fully repeatable, and once you get that one juicy meme coin that will make you probably hella bread, you can keep going until you want. So I'm telling you guys, everything will change in your life. Everything, bro. You will be able to afford things that you could never fathom before. So stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. The reason you guys are going to be creating your coins on coinlabs.fun is, first of all, is the only website on YouTube that is completely legit, and your coin will be launched in seconds. Now, why is this? Now, when you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, token gets put straight to the liquidity of Raydium. Now, what Raydium liquidity pool is basically where all the biggest coins are put. Now, you will be getting way more attention, way more buys, way more eyeballs, so way more money. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is because it is too saturated. There are too many coins being created left and right. Your coin will be dumped into this ocean of bullshit. And another thing that is annoying with Pump.Fun, your coin will have to reach $90,000 in market cap for it to bond over to the Raydium DEX. Complete waste of time. The way you guys are going to be making quick ass profit, possibly thousands, is by going on the copy trending coins tab on coinlabs.fun. Now, what this tab does is it goes through thousands of coins on Bullex, on Photon, on Pump.Fun, and it finds the one that are proven to making sales, proven to getting a ton of buys. Now, if we look, I have 3 golden rules, 3 strategies on which coin you guys should click, which coin you guys should create. Now, the best thing is that it takes 1 click. Click here and make thousands. Now look, now my first golden rule is to find a coin that has a market cap of over $30,000. Now, it is pretty easy. Half of these coins have a market cap over 30,000. Pretty easy. Second rule, it has to have a good narrative, a narrative that is up to date with what's going on right now. And the last rule is that when you refresh, your coin has to have at least a buy in the last 15 seconds or else it is slowing down. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton because I am on vacation. Alright, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're going to refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. I'm just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, alright. Now the website is currently creating my token. So all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.